Well, welcome back to Rick's Kits. This week we have an introductory video for a group build, which is the small scale group build hosted by Sean and Dan. This is my entry. It's a Century Plastic Models Kit, Sports Car Series number 5, Jaguar XJS TWR Sports in 1/38th scale. I'd never heard of Century Plastic Models before. So this is a new one for me. It's all still sealed up in the plastic wrapper, and unless it's been re-wrapped, I don't know. But you can see these are the vehicles that are available in this series. So you've got a Porsche, Tony Countach, a Porsche 959, a Ferrari F40, a Jaguar XJS, and a Ferrari 328 GTB. I found this in what I would say is my local hobby shop, about 20 miles up the road. So crack into it and have a look, see what we've got, what we're dealing with, and also these are the instructions for it on the back. As far as I'm aware, that's all there is. So it's obviously about 1980s-ish because it's got a barcode on it. Let's see what we have. Yeah, when that wrapper's coming off. Definitely older. Like a cellophane type wrapper. So, have a look. Oh. Well, that's not good, is it? Fires in with the glazing. Have a look at that. Hard. Okay. That's what we get in the box. Okay, we've got some red rims. We have the blue body. Not amazing detail, but here's what it is. The steering wheel. The chassis. Bumpers, front and rear. Like dashboard. Seats. I'm not sure. Oh, that might be the rear spoiler. The wing mirrors, rear view mirror, and some windscreen wipers. Okay. A very basic looking kit. It was only $49.99. Not suitable for children under 3 years of age, apparently. And let's have inside this bag. These fires out. These in. Oh, and two metal for the yeah, pretty basic glazing, but those for what it is. Yeah, you can't really complain about any of that. They are slightly spongy tyres. But they don't look deteriorated, which is good. Okay, so that's what I've got then to build for the small scale group build. Like I said, hosted by Sean and Dan. The Jaguar XJS TWR Sports 138 authentic scale model by Century Plastic. Made in Korea. Thanks for watching, and get back to you with another video when we have some progress. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.